Emmanuel's pushed me in a lot of directions I didn't think I would ever go, and it's given me a lot of confidence in sort of going out into the unknown.
I thought I was a print designer, and I never, ever thought in a million years that I would be designing an app. People use their phones for everything, and so why can't they get mental health care on their phones as well?
The changes we're making currently in the library and in other places around campus really demonstrate the innovation that is part of the culture of Emmanuel College.
One of the great things about this space is it really allows students to use some of these emerging technologies that aren't necessarily in the classroom yet.
The 3D printer's really given me an opportunity to sort of understand what does it mean to make ceramics in a contemporary era.
When the new dorm started being built, they actually had a 360 camera and they were taking pictures of the model room that they had. I actually kind of got interested of what else can the 360 pictures show.
The goal to me is really to provide students with more of those aha moments where they have the ability to take something, determine what they can do with it, what they can create.
I love being a part of Emmanuel's campus and being able to show others what it's like. The map and the presentations I've done with it already has been really, really fun.
It was all about seeing how far you can push yourself, and this project did that, and Emmanuel College in general did that for me.